It is the part of you that knows why you are here. It is the part of you that knows why you are here, and it gives you your characteristics. Because earlier, what I said, when your chi gives you a yam, it gives you a knife to cut it with. Whoever it is that you are this person for a reason, and you're supposed to be this person for a reason, right? And yeah, the world is supposed to be against you for a reason, right? You make purpose as a human. You were born with a purpose. Your purpose existed before you. Your purpose precedes you. Your purpose was being enacted in your previous life. So life is kind of like you becoming your purpose. So Agon is you is your Agon, and your Agon is fighting you more or less, right? Your Agon is fighting. When you have that Agon, when you have that break in your reality, there's a conflict between you and your Agon. You understand? Because your Agon is moving in this direction, which is your purpose, and you're moving in this direction, or you're not moving at all, or you don't know what's going on. Right? This is one of the things you're going to learn. And then if you want to do the ritual, we can the DBA can guide you through it, right? But you sit down with your Agon, and plus the ritual and everything. You sit down with your Agon, and it's like, okay, I'm ready to listen. That's more or less what's going on. I'm ready to listen. You don't stop being crazy. But with time, that thing that we're calling crazy begins to make more sense as to who you are and why you're like that.